Hey guys, so today we will start with computer graphics. So first of all, we will see that what is computer graphics and what is it used for. So the computer graphics, it is used to create, manipulate or store the geometric objects. That is, we either do this by modeling them or by rendering their images. So now we after getting these images, we display them on screens or hard copy devices. So in computer graphics, our main tasks are that we have to represent 2D images either by their imaging or we model 2D images. That is, by modeling them, we represent 3D objects, and by rendering, we mean that we construct 2D images from 3D models. Then we have animation. That is, we have different frames. Different frames are there, and then we run those frames over a period of time, which helps us to create animated movies and animated videos. Now, secondly, we have applications of computer graphics. There are many applications of computer graphics. That is, it is used in CAD, that is computer aided design. It is used in presentation graphics, computer arts, entertainment, education and training, visualization, image processing, and GUI are also known as graphical user interface. So now we will be discussing each of these points in detail. That is, first of all, we have computer aided design or CAD. Now, computer-aided design, it is used in design of buildings, automobiles, aircrafts, and watercrafts, spacecrafts, computer textiles, and many other products. And CAD applications are also used for animations, that is, realistic displays of architectural design, such as permit simulated walks through the rooms can be designed using CAD. And it is used by architects and animation graphics designers. Then we have presentation graphics. In presentation graphics, it is used to produce illustrations for reports or generate slides for use with projectors. For example, we generally use bar charts, line graphs, and pie charts in order to study different economic and financial subjects in our school and colleges. So for that, we use presentation graphics. And it is also used to summarize the financial, statistical, and mathematical, scientific, and economic data for research reports, managerial reports, and customer information bulletins. So in short, we can say that in order to create pie charts, line charts, and to summarize the financial statistics as well as the mathematical, scientific, and economic data, we can use presentation graphics. Now, thirdly, we have computer art. Now, computer art simply means that cartoon drawing, painting, and product advertisements, logo design, all of these are included in computer art. So these packages provide a facility for designing object shapes and specifying object motions. And fourthly, that is the we have entertainment. Now you must be very familiar with what entertainment means, as the movie industry use in motion pictures or music videos and television shows. All of them use computer graphics in order to create those videos. And most importantly, the game industry totally works on computer graphics. That is the focus on interactivity, cost effective solutions, and other tricks, and all the animation stuff that you use to play games is all developed by computer graphics. Then we have the education and training part. Now, computer graphics, or we can say that computer generated models of physical, financial, and economic systems are used as educational aids. That is, specialized systems for training applications and simulators for practice sessions for training of ship captains, air pilots, and heavy equipment operations or operators, and air traffic control personnel. All of these use computer graphics in order to create simulators for their practice session. Now, similarly, you must have seen many projectors and whiteboards, that is touchpads in school. All of them use computer graphics in order to display the product, in order to display the lessons that you have to learn during the school or the college time. Now we have visualization. Now these techniques used are color coding, contour plots, graph charts, and surface rendering and visualizations of volume interiors. All of these require computer graphics. Then we also have business visualization, which is used in connection with data sets related to commerce, industry, and other non-scientific areas. Now let us come to the scientific visualization. Now in scientific visualization, we produce graphical representations for scientific, engineering, and medical data sets. That is, in engineering and medical data, computer vision is used in order to display the organs for medical field and in order to display the different parts of machines in engineering field. Then we have the image processing. Image processing techniques, they are used to modify and interpret the existing pictures such as photographs and TV scans. And they are used in medical applications, picture enhancements, tomography, and simulations of operations. And they are also used in ultrasonic and nuclear medicine scanners. Then lastly, we have the graphical user interface, or we can also call this as GUI. Now in GUI, it is used to make a particular window active, or when we click on that window using interactive point device, we are able to create icons. Now advantages of icons are that they can consume less screen space and they are easily understood. For example, everyone must have used a smartphone. In smartphone, we have separate apps for different purposes. Now all of these apps occupy only a small space in our computer, in our screen of the mobile, and whenever you click on them, they occupy the whole space. So initially, they occupy very little space on the screen, which makes them more visually attractive, and it is also viable to create them. Then we have menus. For example, menus are there which contain list of text descriptions and icons. Then we have graphical packages which consist of set of libraries that provide programmatically access to some kind of graphics 2D functions. For example, we have the graphics.h library in C++, which is used to create graphics. That is, for example, if we want to create a line, if we want to create a circle, and if we want to create different objects with shades on it, then we can use this graphics.h library. Now, these are the applications of computer graphics. Now, in the next question, in the next application, in the next video, we will be discussing about video devices. That is the CRT, or the cathode ray device. So if you guys were able to understand this, just write wow in the comment section, and it would be great to know that you were able to understand the different applications of computer graphics. Thank you.